Okay, just drilling out the spot welds. I think I'm up to about 108 or something. Oh, this is popped off. I've got up here popped off, there drilled, popped off. Looks like it's brazed or something here. I've got up here, there drilled and popped off. It's brazed down here. I've drilled these, so I'll need to pop these off. Up and down there. And across there. Get in there, slow going. Then need to get a heat gun out and try and melt this braze or whatever it is. And pop the roof off. Get in there. Right. Okay, got most of the roof. The spot welds off. It's off apart from this bit. Tried a bit of heat, but I'm scared in case the car takes on fire. I can smoke all white. So I reckon I'll maybe just cut it and work my way back and clean it up. But it's off. And then the same side, just this join here. That's off. That's off. So just this last bit here, I can maybe just cut it and work my way back down, because I didn't need a roof. So that was red heat and it still never came off, so I'll see if you'd like. Rather than burning my shed down, I've just cut it with a hacksaw. I'll trim it up later. But she's off. There's a couple of bits inside I'll need to cut and then peel it off. The roof is off, and it is 15 kilos. Oh yeah, bastard. So put some braces on the roof before I put a carbon roof on. Press it to the roll cage, tidy it up, get a pint and stick a carbon roof on. Happy days, maybe. Gave a flare a wee clean up and the roll cage a wee rub down. I'm whitening some metal, put some dimple holes in it. The A pillar and the B pillar, and up in the top there. So I'll hopefully get them a day. Give the flare a wee clean. And just kind of play about with the roof. So it's fitting the part here. To trim in here a bit. To trim this off. It was doing about here, so I trimmed that back so it sits in. It's no bad here. I need to buff in the corner there so it sits in closer. And the same way in here, just buff inside the, because the metal was thin. This is a lot thicker. So just buff in the corners so it sits down further. But aye, let's get in there. Buff that in so it sits in closer. Then do the other side, because the other side's the same, it's neck and down. It's just that angle just now. And I'll pop that side out to your side, because when I made the mould I made the sides in just a wee bit, so the sides was fine tight, because I didn't want it spreading out the way. So that's for a minute. Get in there, fucking carry on. That's it. That's it for the day. A couple of plates on the A-pillar, and a couple of plates up in there, and one up in there. Just a wee bit of pressing. Get iron cleaned out and rub down the rest of the cage. Get it primed. Well, H primer, then paint the top of it, and start getting the roof on. I've just sprayed the roll cage with H primer. I'm just wanting the top of the cage and everything painted before I put the roof on. I'll maybe give the cage a quick whiff or and the flare. I'll paint the flare later on. Maybe need to do some welding underneath with brackets and everything, but I want the cage done so I can get a roof on, because I want to get it painted after. So quick coat the H primer, then I'll put normal primer on. Maybe at night, I reckon by the time it is, it's pretty late. Then maybe paint the cage white tomorrow, see if it like. Okay, I'm just going to do a walk around video. I think it was Ron that asked for a video of the car, so I'll just walk you around and I'll start at the front and go through the whole car. I'll start load steady. So, right, so that's the car. So I'll start at the front. So made the canyards, the bumper's been made the bonnet, made the wings. It's just a mock-up engine in it of new, just for sizing up stuff. I'll show you. Right, so mock-up tubular front end, tubular subframe. Just marking the mounts. Next job will be in here. Flange adapter for the gearbox. Get the steering angle set up. It's a Samsung Evo gearbox. So carbon bonnet, canyards, wings, the doors, the cells been made. It's Evo transfer box, prop shaft, hubs. Just marking them straight inside. I've still pinned the flea in the because there's still a prop shaft to get welded in. Pedal box, carbon dash. Still got the fuel tank. There's twin fuel pumps. That's a ducting. The radiator is in there. Twin fans at the back. Carbon roof, roll cage. I drilled these with little brackets for inside to hold the windows in. Arches is made. A diffuser. Just made the mould for the back bumper yesterday. It's made of lights. Must have been before that date. Made a little carbon GTI-R badge. Me and the girls made a spoiler brackets, just a hull saw, jigsaw, files, twin spoiler. That side's almost done, still to finish that off. Carbon dash, carbon roof, fitted that last week. Canyards, splitter. There's not much, it's not been changed. Doors, they fit not bad. One of the first things I think, the carbon bits will need clear coated because they're getting scratched nothing. Sequential shifter, just fitting the dash and I think just new. Car's got a bit of storage more maybe. And little brackets for the windows. Once I get the prop shaft and I think I'll weld it up. Brackets welded on, I'll rub down the flare, paint the flare. Maybe get a couple of bars welded down for the roll cage. Pedal box, electric steering. Fitters. Exhaust coming out there. It's got, I want to see it. It's got a tubular rear end. Evo RS diff. You see the fans, twin fans for the radiator. Diffuser. What else? I'll show you the engine in a minute. That's about it really. Alright, so engine, that's almost finished to go in. It's got a new block. The bores was checked with rolling machine shop. It's got Kelford cams, 276 cams, Kelford valves, springs, retainers, adjustable cam gears, new valves, SR20 St. Mal, pistons, Hall sensor kit, new oil pump, gears, map sensor, new heat bolts, ACL bearings, new timing chain, Cosworth heat gasket, a think it's manual roads. ATL crank pulley still going. Yeah, I think it was for a Porsche RC 1200 injectors, 44mm wastegate. It's got a triple clutch on it. Got it. GT35 turbo for own developments. Alternator, I've it off. That's going in the back. Still the pulley to swap. Inlet manifold was made. Downpipe was made. Exhaust manifold was made. So that's getting there slowly and that. Just two or three things to button up and that's it, finished. So that's basically it. That's the car. I've just put all the panels and hang back on, but the doors on just now, they're not all good lined up. It's got a lot of storage, gonna go back to work. So quick walk around and that's it. See it. The roof looks brown, but it's actually just carbon with copper tress through it. I'll show you. As I said, I think I'll just keep the carbon bits and Kevlar bits again, give them a clear coat because it's been getting rumbled about for the last few years. They're all getting scratched now, so I'll give them a once the car's ready to paint. The grey and the white's just primer for ticking moulds. I've got the DS wing and this back quarter again because I've changed them a bit. 2 moulds to mark. And that's about it. We'll see. That's just all the hubs that's in there of new. I've got new hubs and new bearings and I think going. And gearbox. I'm not sure if you'll see you can't see the tubular there, subframe in there now. So, that's it. Over and out.